Good afternoon. You're watching Mirror Now. I'm Gauri Singh. First up, let's get you a big story coming in on the front of vaccination. Nearly 12 crore eligible beneficiaries across the country have not taken their second vaccination dose. In Maharashtra, about 92.5 lakh people were yet to take their second vaccine dose. Similarly, in Tamil Nadu, over 73 lakh people have not taken their second vaccine dose. In Karnataka, 45 lakh people are yet to take vaccination doses when it comes to second dose. Experts also believe that the eligible beneficiaries either delayed the second shot for some reasons after completing the required time gap between the two doses, or they just simply skipped it. In fact, Neha Hebale is joining us live to tell us what exactly is happening in Karnataka. So Neha, we were just giving out figures from different states when it comes to second dose vaccination. And if we talk about Karnataka, 45 lakh people are yet to take the second vaccine dose. And that is a staggering number in itself. What's been the main roadblocks when it comes to this? Is it a case of laxity now that the COVID infection is subsiding?
Well, yes, you could say that, while one would peg the 45 lakh figure as quite high over here in the state of Karnataka, considering that in the beginning, when the vaccination drives were started across the state, Karnataka was one of the states that was right on top, in the top three most vaccinated states. And even today, as we're seeing this number of 45 lakhs that haven't been vaccinated after their due date has actually slipped by, it really makes one question as to why this has been happening. We did speak to quite a few authorities in the state government and in the health department, who went on to say that one primarily is that, like you rightly said, yes, while people have in fact become lax now, and they are of the opinion that now that the cases have come down, there are others who have just simply missed their dose for various reasons. Now, what is the government doing about this over here to ensure that these people come back for their second dose? We're seeing that door-to-door drives also are now, being launched to ensure that people get their second shot, and also awareness is being spread about why it's so important to take the second shot, because the effectiveness of the first one would wear off without the second dose. So having said that, also primarily we're seeing that rural parts of the state, there are some districts that have been identified where it's becoming extremely difficult to sort of vaccinate the people with their second dose because of the kind of resistance that they're facing. There are some others who just do not find it important. And most importantly, one of the reasons being there are many people over here who have come of the opinion now that people are contracting COVID even after taking the second dose. So there isn't really any use. But that's not the case, and experts have time and again stressed on that.
Right, Neha, stay with us. Let's get some input coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu. Mugilan is joining us live with more details. So, Mugilan, the lukewarm response to the second round of vaccination has always been a concern when it comes to Tamil Nadu. We had reported earlier that how Tamil Nadu government is actually taking this matter very seriously, and they had taken a lot of steps, announced a lot of measures. Then why hasn't the situation improved yet?
Definitely, yes. As far as today's data, more than 73 lakh people have missed their second dose. And yes, we have seen this trend is happening for at least for last 2-3 months. And the health department officials are trying to address it. Even today, when we spoke with the health department officials, they also state that there is a laxity among people, and that is why they are not coming forward. Even though the vaccination percentage, when it comes to first dose vaccination, it has crossed 70% mark, and the second dose vaccination has crossed 40% mark. But still, a huge section of people are not ready to or not willing to come forward to take up the second dose. We are saying to bridge this gap, to vaccinate everyone who have missed the second dose. Priority is given for the people who have missed the second dose, and the Tamil Nadu state government is now holding 2 vaccination camps. That is on every Wednesday and on Sundays. Now the Tamil Nadu Health Department holding Meha camp in Chennai. Around 1,006 vaccination camps are being held during this mass vaccination camp to vaccinate people who have missed the second dose. Particularly, with all these efforts are being made, still we are seeing people are not coming forward to take up the vaccine. And yes, there is people have now started taking things for granted is what we are hearing from the health department officials. Even the mask compliance have gone down in the city. So yes, health department officials are expressing concern. They are repeatedly requesting people to come forward and take up the second dose. On the department side, we have seen that the Tamil Nadu Health Department have taken a list of people who have missed their second dose, and the health department of workers are calling this people who have missed the second dose and asking them to come and take up the vaccine. But even after these efforts, people are not coming forward. So now the health department is requesting people to come forward and take up the second dose of vaccine, whoever have missed it on the particular due date.
Right. Mugilan, thank you for sharing those inputs from Tamil Nadu. Neha, thank you so much for joining us and giving us details from the state of Karnataka. So this is the situation like when it comes to the second round of vaccination, and some more news coming in related to vaccine. In fact, Bharat Biotech has claimed that the Lancet study has confirmed that Covaxin is effective and meets the WHO criteria to battle the Delta strain of COVID. Maker of the indigenously developed anti-COVID vaccine, Covaxin, Bharat Biotech was reacting to the Lancet study, which said that 2 doses of Covaxin have 50% effectiveness against symptomatic COVID patients. In fact, Bharat Biotech further said that these results compare well with the 65.2% efficacy against the Delta variant obtained during the controlled phase 3 clinical trials of Covaxin.